This is Sayyid Yasir and I welcome you to hyderabadwala.com. Today Maimoona Yasmeen will show you how to make chicken kabsa from her recipes. Roast handful of almonds and handful of cashews and keep aside. Soak half kg basmati rice for about half an hour. Meanwhile, in a cooking saucepan, add 1.5 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon clarified butter or pure ghee. Add 1 onion sliced, two black cloves, 2 slit cardamoms, and 2 small sticks of cinnamon. Stir for 15 seconds and add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and stir for a few seconds. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons red chili powder, 3 teaspoons salt. Mix well and add 750 grams of big pieces of chicken with bones. Stir fry for about 5 minutes. Add handful of chopped mint leaves, handful of chopped coriander, and 1 cup of tomato puree. Stir fry for 30 seconds and add 1 liter of water. Here we have not added spices. You can add half teaspoon of spices to enhance the taste. Close the lid and cook on low flame for about 20 minutes till the chicken pieces get tender. After 20 minutes, take out the chicken pieces and keep them aside. Into the same boiling water, add soaked and drained rice. Close the lid and cook till the water dries up completely and the rice gets tender. Switch off the flame and add handful of raisins or kishmish and keep the lid closed for about 5 minutes. Into another pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. When the oil is hot, add cooked chicken pieces and close the lid. Semi-fry on both sides while keeping the lid closed. Cook till the chicken pieces get very tender and crispy. Garnish the rice with roasted almonds and cashews. Add semi-fried chicken pieces. Chicken kabsa is ready to be served. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, share our videos with your friends, leave your valuable comments and also visit our website www.hyderabadwala.com.